Welcome back to Salty Cooking. This is Salty. Today, we're gonna make British tea. Hopefully, the way the British do it. Get in your kettle and fill that up. You don't need a lot, probably only half because we're just heating it up right now. Now just wait for that to whistle. Alright, we are back. And it is whistling. That means you just kind of pour it in there. It's only halfway. What you do is you let that sit in there. It's going to heat up your pot, killing any kind of germs that's in there, and it's going to get the pot nice and ready for the actual brew. You're going to just kind of put it off to the side after you stir it around a little bit. And now you're going to boil more water. This time's a full pot. And just wait for that to boil. Alright, we're back again. Our kettle's just about to whistle. And there we go. Shut your stove off. Now the water inside your pot, you dump out. Careful, your top is going to be a little hot. And now with the tea, there's 5. We're making a full pot. There's 1 for each person, so that's 4, plus the pot, so that's 5. Now, just dump it all in there. Alright, put your lid back on. Get your cozy out. Just put it over your brown Betty. And we're going to let that stew for an hour. Alright, it's been an hour. It's time for tea. And you gotta watch out because this whole thing is going to be hot. Grab proper hand protection. If there's any British people watching this, comment, how do you like your tea? We're gonna do one American and one the British way. Alright, get your sugar. Pretty much gonna be to taste. I like a teaspoon. You can use sugar, or another really good way to drink your tea is to add a little bit of honey in there. That really sweetens it up. Alright, now a little bit of milk. For you British people watching me. Alright, American first. Really good. American tea is very good. I mean, it's the way I like it. Now, I'm not sure about the no sugar and the milk, but I'll try it. Open-minded about tea. Yeah, okay. It's tea. But Man, where's your sugar? You gotta add a little bit of sweetener in there. Now, if I put milk in my American tea, that wouldn't be bad because it has some sugar in it. It's like, I guess, drinking coffee. I guess I could take it either way. I like the milk in the British version of the tea because it adds a nice creaminess to the tea. But that's pretty much it. It just tastes like bland tea. Yeah, there's just no sugar in it. Oh, that's a little better because there's sugar in it. Well, in the comments, tell me how you like your tea. I know how I like mine. Follow for more, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next video.